Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Slide cardboard under the shirt to protect layers and expose the sticker fully. Use your fingernail or a tweezers to lift one corner at a 45 degrees angle. This reduces fabric stress and prevents tears. If the adhesive feels stubborn, apply low heat from a hairdryer for 5 to 10 seconds to soften glue. Make sure to move the dryer so heat is even. Once the corner lifts, stop and prepare for slow, steady peeling. Continue by peeling slowly and keeping the sticker as flat against the fabric as possible. This minimizes snagging and fiber distortion. If residue remains, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or a gentle adhesive remover to a cotton swab. Always test a hidden seam first to check color fastness. Blot the sticky area. Do not rub aggressively because that pushes adhesive deeper into fibers. Once loosened, lift residue carefully, repeating solvent application in small. Finish by laundering the shirt per its care label to remove any solvent and restore fabric hand. Use warm water if safe for the fabric. If you still see a faint sticker imprint, place a clean cloth over the area and press with an iron on low heat while moving continuously to avoid burning. This helps lift remaining residue. If you notice color loss, shrinkage, or persistent adhesive, stop and take the garment to a professional cleaner promptly. Acting quick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.